Hello students, today's point of discussion is Introduction to Electronic Displacement in Covalent Bond. Now we know very well that hydrocarbons are basically covalent compounds. I mean hydrocarbons do contain the covalent bonds in their molecules. And what covalent bond is exactly? It is the bond formed due to equal sharing of electron. Remember, so covalent bond is formed due to equal sharing of electrons between combining atoms. Now if the electrons are shared between two like atoms, then the molecule is said to be non-polar molecule. Remember, so non-polar molecules like H2, Cl2, etc. are less reactive as reagents are often charged. So remember, it is very important to have polarity within the molecule to get attacked by the reagent. That is very important and crucial thing. So what? Charged reagents attacks only when there is a sort of polarity in a molecule. Thus bond has to be polarized. Remember, thus bond has to be polarized to get attacked by charged reagents. This is very important thing. So charged reagents often attack the polar molecule. So remember, it is very important thing for a molecule to get react is the polarity. I mean molecule has to be polar, and then and only then the charged species, I mean reagent, can attack. Now polarization within the molecule may be permanent or temporary. Remember, so what? Polarization of molecules may be permanent or temporary. That depends on the sort of polarization, and the polarization within the molecule is induced due to electronic displacement. Remember, so polarity in molecule is due to electronic displacement. Is due to what? Electronic displacement. That is very important thing to be noticed. Now due to electronic displacement, number of effects can be observed, and those effects decide the polarity in a molecule. So what type of displacement can be? Remember, due to displacement of electrons following effects can be observed. And remember, due to electronic displacement, the effects whatever we observe may be permanent or temporary. So number of effects can be seen, among which very first is inductive effect. It is also due to what? the electronic displacement. Secondly, inductomeric effect. Third one is mesomeric effect, which is also called as resonance effect. Fourth very important thing is electromeric effect. Fifth one, the resonance itself, resonance. Sixth one, very important effect is what? Hyperconjugation, which is popularly known as no bond resonance. So these are the effects which are caused due to electronic displacement, and due to which the molecule become polar. I mean, polarity in the covalent molecule may be induced due to following type of effect. Now, out of these, few effects are temporary. For example, inductomeric effect, electromeric effect. So these two effects are temporary effect. So effect may be temporary or permanent, and remember, rest of the effects are permanent effects. Permanent effects due to electronic displacement are termed as polarization effect. So this is very important thing. What? Permanent effects are called as polarization effect. So these permanent effects are called polarization effects, and on other hand, temporary effects are called polarizability effects. Remember, temporary effects are called as polarizability effects. So effects can be permanent or temporary, no matter, but these effects which are due to the electronic displacement cause polarity in the molecule, and due to induced polarity, charged reagent may easily attack the species and reaction may go for completion. Now sometimes, in order to indicate these effects, I mean permanent or temporary, whatever the effect is, we may use the subscripts S, that is static. Static means permanent. If effect is permanent, then subscript S can be used, and for temporary, subscript D. D means dynamic. Dynamic means temporary effect. So subscripts S and D, remember, can be used to indicate these effects. So these effects are due to what? Displacement of electrons. So these are also called as electronic displacement effects. So very important thing, remember, subscripts S, that is static. Static means permanent, and D, that is dynamic. Dynamic means what? Temporary, are used to indicate the effects. As these effects are due to electronic displacement, hence these are commonly called as electron or electronic displacement effects. So this is the introductory means what? Lecture on electronic displacement of covalent bond. Thank you very much.